Welcome! In front of me I have Skagen Hybrid HR, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the phone notifications or other notifications from your phone on this watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Skagen smartwatches application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Skagen smartwatches application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now scroll through the category called For You by swiping left and right on the screen. Scroll through it, find the option called My Preferences and tap on it. And here tap on option called Notifications. And as you can see, before we enable the notifications, we need to allow a couple of permissions. So tap on the Enable button, allow the notification access, then go back, tap on another Enable button, allow the required permissions, then tap on another Enable button, allow permissions, and then allow the permissions. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see the notifications menu. And here we have two categories, apps and contacts. So if you want to enable or disable notifications for certain apps, you can basically find the app right here on the list and enable or disable the notifications for it by tapping on the switch next to it. If you don't have any applications on this list right here, you need to wait basically until the list fills in, because it will fill in when you install this application and you receive the notifications on your phone from different applications. So for example, if I didn't have Discord right here, I could wait until I receive the notification from Discord, and it should appear right here on the list. Basically, it will refresh the list. Okay, and in contacts, you can enable or disable the notifications for all of the contacts and messages, or rather from everyone. So here this option is by default selected, calls and messages from everyone. So you will receive the notifications about calls and messages from anyone who calls you, but you can disable this option and enable the notifications only for specific contacts if you want, by tapping on the boxes next to the contact to check it or uncheck it. And once you're done, you should be able basically to receive the notifications on your watch once you're done customizing the settings and allowing the permissions. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. If you miss the notifications on your watch, you can press the middle button to open the menu, then use the upper button to scroll up and select the notifications, and then press middle button to open the notifications menu. And here you can scroll through the notifications by pressing the down button or lower or upper button. You can read them by pressing the middle button, like that. Or rather, you can go back by pressing the middle button. My bad, you can exit the menu. And that's how you enable and disable, or rather, how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.